Hi everybody, it's Lynn from LynzCraftzDesignz. Today, first thing we're going to need is a clean tile. Now, if you're not baking on a ceramic tile, a mirror tile works just as well. A piece of glass, a piece of window glass, something. You need something slick and shiny. That's what you're wanting. Although you can put a piece of paper on top, use a cardstock, piece of copy paper or something, that will prevent the back from getting shiny spots. This is just the last of this package of the Primo White. And yes, I know, horror and disbelief. People don't like white. Because why? It shows everything. This is just what it picked up from my pasta machine. But it's the back, so. I'm gonna make it the back anyway. This is the Naugahyde texture tile from Cool Tools. Okay, just puts a nice texture on the back. Alright, and we're going to turn it over. Now, this texture is completely up to you. I've pulled out, these are really old. I believe these were Sculpey that came with one of the tool sets, like the Pokey tool or something like that. There's also like a brick texture. And so, this is like the cobblestone texture sheet. We're gonna give it a nice firm roll. Now, when you when you have a situation like this where the clay sticks to your texture tile, when you remove the clay, you want to bend away the texture sheet, texture tile, whatever, instead of trying to just pull the clay off. Okay? Something like that. Now, with this one, I'm just going to use this as the shell. I guess it could be a flower, it could be a leaf, it could be whatever. But anyway, it looks like a shell to me. Acrylic block. Okay. There's one. I'm going to try to avoid that spot right there. Yeah. Okay, now we have two of them. We can roll this back up and keep going and making more. Okay, now using said pokey tool or a knitting needle or whatever your tool of choice is, let's go with the knitting needle because it's longer. Okay, this is a small, these came in a 2-pack. It may have been like a 4-pack, 2 of each, but a bigger and a smaller. This is the smaller. These just came from a resale shop. First thing I want to do is move that one. Now, let me turn my light on. Aha! I can see, said the blind man. Okay. Just going by where the grooves are already on the polymer clay from the cutter. Okay, just like that. Makes a nice shell. Let's do the other one. There we go. Okay, now the finish is up to you. We can do mica powders. Let's do some mica powders. This is just a basic blue color that came off Amazon a few. Okay. Just coming back real quick. We're going to bake these 275 for 30 minutes. Here's the little earrings. Alright, and we'll be back. Okay. I put some of this UD ultra thick embossing enamel in the pearl around the edges, and I thought that I wanted to put UV resin, but all I did with these was coat them in some gloss sealer, and I really like the way they look, so I'm thinking we're just gonna do that. And then we'll put some earring findings and some necklace findings on these and finish them up. Okay, these are not necessarily more complicated. They just require more findings. Alright, let's get out. We're going to need 4 head pins. Straight ones preferably. So I'm going to get these all straightened up and I'll be back. Just show you straightening one of them. It is fiddly and time consuming. but it also can be done. It's just part of the process. If you're buying everything and you want it perfect, and that's gonna have to show in your prices as well. You're gonna have to charge more for those. Maybe you're looking for straight head pins. If you're buying off of a online site, you're just gonna get what you get. Okay, so you're gonna have to buy from like Michael's or somewhere like that, where you can go inside and actually pick what you're looking for. See, that didn't take any time at all. Alright, now I do have eye pins, but my eye pins are 3-inch, so I would be wasting a lot more of the eye pin if I went with those. So I just chose a head pin. I'm going to cut the head off. Once again, convenience. If you've got the money to have every size of head pin and eye pin you want, then you go for it. Now, we're going to start with these pink ones. Need some of these transparent seed beads. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. I've gripped this head pin at the very tip after I've cut off the head. I'm just gonna roll an eye. Okay. Put these two little copper colored seed beads. Put one of them, sorry. Put an end cap. These little goldstone beauties. Another bead cap. And the other seed bead. Let me grip with my pliers and I'll give you a better look. Okay. Bend it over. Remember not to cinch down on the beads, because those glass seed beads will break. Again, grip the end. Turn it up towards you. Flip your pliers over and grip it again to finish the eye. Okay? That's what we did with the pink ones as well. Okay, I'll show you that one more time. Okay, grip that head where you can't feel it from the one side of the pliers. Some jump rings. Not sure what size these are. Okay, then we'll grab the top eye pin that we created. Put our earring fish hook and untwist. There we go. Let's see what these jump rings are. Sorry about that. These jump rings are 6s. Now it doesn't matter if we start with the polymer clay bit or the glass bead bit. Okay, there we go. A really cute pair of summer earrings. Now remember, we could put a coat of UV resin on these just the same. It would add to their strength a little bit. But for these, they're just fun summer earrings. Okay, here they all are. I apologize for the missing embossing powder bits and the charm dangle bits. I really want to thank y'all so much for watching. I know the quality of the videos is not up to snuff. I've got my mind on the sewing room. So that's where most of my time is going right now. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch. Bye for now.